earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they're the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. Ever looked at a sticker on a package or water bottle and thought, wait, I could totally make these? If you've got a creative streak and a printer at home, starting a sticker label printing business could be your perfect side hustle or even a full-time gig. So, how do you get started from home in the US without spending a fortune? Let's break it down, step by step. Step 1. Understand the business. Sticker labels are in high demand. Think product packaging, branding for small businesses, wedding favors, thank you tags, and more. It's a low-investment business with high profit margins. You can start solo from your home and gradually scale. And guess what? You don't need a massive industrial setup. With the right tools, you can produce high-quality labels right from your desk. Step 2. Legal setup. Before you start printing and selling, get your business legally set up. That means choosing a name, forming an LLC, and getting your EIN. Why an LLC? It protects your personal assets and makes your business look more professional. You can use a service like Bizee, formerly Incfile, to register your LLC and get your EIN in just a few clicks. It's fast, affordable, and takes the paperwork stress off your plate. Check out the link in the description box below. Also, check if your state or city requires a home-based business license or zoning permit. You want to start clean and stay legit. Step 3. Choose your niche. The sticker label market is huge. To stand out, pick a niche. You could focus on custom labels for small businesses, wedding and party favor stickers, pantry or kitchen organization labels, product labels for homemade soaps, candles, or food jars. Pick a niche you're passionate about or one you see a clear demand for in your local community or online. Step 4. Get the right equipment. Here's what you need to get started. Printer. An inkjet printer works, but for long-lasting, waterproof labels, a laser printer or an eco-solvent printer is better. Cutting machine. A Cricut or Silhouette machine can precisely cut your labels into custom shapes. Label paper. Choose between matte, glossy, transparent, or waterproof sticker paper based on your niche. If you're on a tight budget, start with a basic setup and upgrade as you grow. Step 5. Design your labels. Don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic designer. You can use free tools like Canva, or more advanced ones like Adobe Illustrator or Affinity Designer. Start by creating sample templates for your niche. Keep it clean, readable, and eye-catching. If design isn't your thing, hire a freelancer from Fiverr or Etsy to get you going. Make sure your design software is compatible with your cutting machine, so you can create cut lines and size specifications easily. Step 6. Price your labels right. Pricing can be tricky. Factor in cost of materials, paper, ink, packaging, equipment wear and tear, time and effort, shipping supplies. Don't undercharge just to compete. Aim for a 30 to 50% profit margin after expenses. People are willing to pay for quality, unique designs. Step 7. Set up shop. Now it's time to start selling. You can launch your shop on Etsy, great for handmade and custom orders. Shopify, perfect for a standalone store. Social media, use Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for promotion. Local markets, farmers markets or craft fairs are great for in-person sales. Take high-quality photos of your stickers and show them in use, on jars, packages, or gift boxes. Step 8. Market your business. Use Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, or YouTube Shorts to show your printing process and behind the scenes. People love seeing how things are made. A good online presence can turn your side hustle into a full-time label empire. Final thoughts. Starting a sticker label printing business at home is affordable, creative, and in demand. With the right tools, a bit of hustle, and smart marketing, you can turn your passion into profit.